Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Till now what we done as per requirement, we pulled our data set. Along with that same way we already cleaned the data and what and all they are interested like country, capital, population and area. We cleaned like that as per requirement. After that we added region to each table. You guys can able to see here, and still you guys didn't watch my older class videos, please go through that and you guys will get to know how we need to work as per requirement sheet. And this is the clean data, and here you guys can able to see I have added region to all the table, north table and south table, all three tables I have added a region column. And we'll see what is the next step. And they are interested in country like Canada, Greenland, Mexico, United. They want only these four countries. So what we need to do, as per this requirement, we need to delete all other countries. It's not required for them. So what we need to do, we need to edit Canada, Mexico. Where is that? Yeah, here, Canada, Mexico and United State, Greenland. Greenland and United State. Where is, yes, United States. They want only these four, so I'm removing all other countries. Here we should not delete the other countries. Here you guys can able to see filter option, right? So I'm going to use a filter option. As per that, I'm selecting requirement countries. Others will be in same table, but it's not reflecting to our project. Here you guys can able to see filter road as well. So here I'm going to use filter, not delete option, guys. Please keep in mind that we have a difference between filter and delete options. And again, just do it in other country as well. Here they want like Brazil. Oh, this one. Brazil cost right. Brazil cost right. And your, yeah, they are requesting all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much we have in table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what is extra? Cost right. This one separate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the Central America, they want all countries, so I'm not going to change anything. And they mentioned South America. Next one is we are not interested. We'll see what and all is not required for us, so we are going to remove. They clearly mentioned that we are not interested in. So null blank cells and like this values and all, it's not required. So we'll see any unwanted values, yeah, blank values. I'm just filtering that, and yeah, it's perfect. And here also we don't have any null values here, and in this we have a null values, so I'm going to remove that. In the sense, here also I'm not gonna delete it, just I'm filtering it. And in my next class we'll discuss what is difference between delete and filter, guys. And okay, it's already cleared, it's almost done. Yes, just cross check whether we have any additional like a blank values or null values. Yes, it's clear. and we'll see we are not interested. They mentioned South America, this countries they are not interested, so South America, so I'm going to filter that countries as well. What and all countries? Iceland, and one more South Korea, and South Sandwich. This one is same, and total. This one is okay. This two is not required for us, so I'm going to filter it. Okay, remaining and all they are interested. It means they mentioned like we are not interested. So remaining countries, it means that they have a interest to keep. So it's already done second step as well. Till now we done get data and clean data, and in that we are interested, and add column and country what and all interest they have, that one, and we are not interested, and South America. This almost one, 4, 5, 6 steps we already done, guys. Next one is append queries. In that, what we need to do, consolidate all countries in one table. In the sense, all here you guys, we have a separate 3 tables, right? What we need to do, we need to append all 3 tables in one table. We'll see how it will work and how to do and how to append it. And they mentioned step as well. In our real time might be we'll get steps like this, or else will not get as well. So just keep in mind that and be ready for both. And append queries, consolidate all countries in one table, and steps, open Power Query Editor. We are already into that Power Query Editor. In that home page, and after that they mentioned like append query. Here we have option called append query. Here you guys can able to see merge queries and downside append queries, and we have a difference between merge queries and append queries. In next class we'll discuss that as well. And this is the important question, merge, what is difference between merge queries and append queries. 200% you guys will get interview question. Please make note that, and we'll see how to do append queries. And append queries, select that one. Here you guys can able to see one pop-up, right? Select that one, and like this pop-up you guys will get after selecting append queries. And here you guys can able to see 2 options, 2 tables, 2 or more tables. What we need to do, we have a 3 tables, so I'm going to select 3 or more tables. Already Central America has been selected here, so I'm not going to select Central America. I'm going to select South America, add. Again, now select North America, add. Here all 3 has been added in this column. Table to append, what and all tables we are going to append, we need to select all 3 tables. So select OK and continue. And some privacy checking they will do. So select this unbox option, save option, select. After that click on save option, and it's working. It will take 2-3 minutes, guys, because all 3 tables need to append, right? In the sense it will convert into a consolidate in a one table, so it will take little bit of time. Be patient, and this is the very easy. Yeah, it's done. Now you guys can able to see all 3 tables has been appended in one table. Here you guys can able to cross check Central America, South America and North America. And one more thing, guys, while appending, all 3 table names should be same. For example, here area kilometer 2 bracket we have, right? For by mistakenly one table you are gonna enter like area and space kilometer 2, and another 2 table there is no space. You should not do like that. All 3 tables name should be same. So this done, and next step append query also done. This step third step. Next one is a create visualization. Now we are done with append queries now. Just save, apply and close. Here you guys in home option you guys will get close and append option. I'm going to select that one, close and append. Now it will get saved. Yeah, it's loading. Every step you guys will get like this pop-up, so wait for that. And you guys after consolidate everything, all information will get a green tick as well. Till that green tick we have to wait. Yeah, it's done. In Central America, what happened, all three tables has been added to South America. Sorry, not here we can able to check in which table. Yeah, Central America. What I'm going to do, I'm just renaming it as a America because it's all country related to America data set, right? So I'm just renaming it to America. Yeah, actually one more steps we can do, we can able to create a one more because now Central America has been means deleted, right? So one more step we can do, instead of deleting means changing this name, we can able to one more table, America table. So we'll do in next project, we'll do that as well, guys. And now it's done, America. And what we need to do now, as per our requirement, fourth step is create a visualization. We'll see in that they already mentioned like insert table, in that what and all information is required, and second one is insert a map, in that what and all information they want, and third visualization is insert a slicer. And in our next class we'll see how to create a visualization and how to add a information, guys. Till that wait for next class. Thank you. And if you guys have any doubt, please contact me. And for more details, I will provide my email ID. Just uh, text me, guys.